In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove extra blank space from your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner working on your first project, tidying up your site can make a world of difference in both its aesthetic appeal and user experience. Often, these unwanted spaces appear due to either an extra section that isn't in use or a section that needs resizing. Let's dive into the process step by step to get your website looking sleek and professional. First, it's crucial to identify if the cause of the blank space is an extra, unused section. To do this, open your Wix editor and zoom out as much as needed to see the full layout of your page. Sometimes sections that aren't used can hide further down the page, creating unwanted space. As you scan through your page, keep an eye out for any empty sections. Once you locate one, it's just a matter of removing it. Simply click on the section, then right-click and select Delete. Alternatively, you can press the Delete button on your keyboard. This action will instantly remove the empty section, bringing the content of your page closer together. It's a quick and easy fix for spaces that you might not have even realized were irrelevant. On the other hand, if the blank space is within a section you're actively using and don't want to delete, your best option is to resize it. This step allows you to maintain the content while optimizing space. Click on the section you want to adjust. You'll notice arrows at the bottom edge of the selected section. These arrows are your tools for resizing. Click and hold on the arrows, then simply drag them to shorten the height of the section. This action will collapse the extra space without affecting the content inside. Making these adjustments will help ensure your website looks tidy and well organized. It can sometimes take time to figure out which sections need adjustment, but with practice, you'll become more intuitive about spotting these issues. Regularly checking your site for unnecessary spaces and making these alterations can drastically improve its visual flow and responsiveness. And that concludes our guide on removing extra blank space from your Wix website. By following these steps, you can enhance both the appearance and functionality of your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips were valuable in helping you create a more polished website. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy designing!